Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying materials and immediate machine settings so you can lay the first pass correctly. Start the emulsion pump and set spray rate to match aggregate gradation. This controls adhesion. Position the chip sealer and move at consistent speed to avoid ponding. Once moving, feed aggregate evenly from the box to the conveyor to achieve desired application rate. Make sure to monitor the spray bar and chip stream continuously, because small deviations create big bonding problems later. Once the machine is producing a steady stream, you focus on calibration and crew coordination so compaction and bonding succeed. Check chip depth frequently and alter conveyor speed or hopper gate to stay within 12-18 mm single layer target. If chips bounce or don't stick, increase emulsion slightly. If sweeping occurs, lower it. Make sure your helper crew follows close behind to broom loose stones and compact while the emulsion is tacky, because timing there determines the finished surface quality. You complete the job by tapering off material and securing a tidy finish so the surface cures well. Gradually reduce emulsion flow and slow the sealer for a controlled stop, then empty and clean the hopper and spray lines immediately to prevent hardening. If you see bare or poorly bonded patches, stop and apply a hand spray of emulsion with immediate chip broadcast, then roll or broom to embed stones. If adhesion fails repeatedly, check emulsion temperature and pump pressure as the first troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.